This is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a system of timers, the master to the left and the secondary to the right, and it's a wired system. We do have wireless also, but it's just two wires, and you can run them up to 1,000 feet away, and you can put as many as 100 of the secondaries on it, and basically what it's going to do is just mimic whatever's on the master. And the master is going to hold the set time, and right now I currently have it set for 10 seconds, and that is set through these BCD rotary switches that are mounted into the enclosure and on the circuit board, and you would just access those through there's 4 holes, minutes and seconds, and turn those each one 0 through 9. Also, this is a 25, so it's a 2.3 inch high LED, so it's a digit height, and it can be viewed up to 50 feet, 120 feet. So anyways, the 3 switches that you see here to the left are 40 millimeter palms, and basically I'm just going to demonstrate. We have 3, well, I'm going to say terminal blocks on the back, 3 different positions that you can utilize that come standard with the DC25 T down BCDs, and those are reset and start, that is just start stop, and then reset to 0. A lot of our customers just use the reset and start, and basically that's going to be out on the floor, they're doing a process, so they just hit the button and they just want to do it once and it restarts the process timer again. And so basically I'm just going to go ahead and show that to you. Now these I've set for 10 seconds, and when it gets down to 0, it's just going to have a 1 second relay closure, and that can be done on any one of our as you heard there, and it can be done on any one of our timer downs to have that relay closure, or we do have sun alerts or buzzers that we can attach to them, and also an and-on light we can attach to them too, so it's very versatile. They all can be set up as a master secondary, so you just request that. It's a little bit extra because we got to add a little bit extra circuitry, but it's really not a problem. It's very easy to do for us and to accommodate. So I'm going to go ahead and reset and start again, and then I'm going to hit stop. You can have that switch if you want. I just have these 3 switches here just to show you the full capability of it, and then you can restart it again, and then stop, and then reset it back to the preset time that you turn these rotary switches to, the BCD switches. So just to give you an idea of what it looks like inside, everything's modular, so you can disconnect this front portion from the rear portion, and it's just a powered modular jack or modular plug that unplugs here, and then your circuit board can be unplugged, and then we have the relay closure. You can bring your wires in. We have knockouts on either side or through the back, and then how you would hang it is either a 4-square electrical or a 2-gang, a handy box, or if you just want to mount it on the table, we supply rubber feet for that if you just want to mount it on a flat surface, horizontal surface. So yeah, that pretty much covers it. This is a DC-25T-DN master secondary, and just not to forget, but the secondary, the wired ones, will have a pigtail pair, and they'll be green and white normally. So, and then 120 wall adapters that just plug into the side 2.1 millimeter coaxial cables, and those come with a 6-foot cord. Now we can put 120 plugs on them for your convenience. So anyways, this is a DC-25T-DN BCD, and it is set up as a system right now, and so you have the master and you have a secondary. Jim with DC Digital, thank you for watching.